In a film camp far from home in western British Columbia, teenagers come together to have fun, make movies, and ruin their childhoods with faulty editing equipment. A blissful, harmonious place to hang out. Or is it? This fall, feast your eyes on the next epic blockbuster as 5 teens desperately fight against freaky alien doppelgangers. Featuring exciting suspense, evil extraterrestrials, underage sexual tension, and amateur kung fu fight scenes. Eli Sorensen stars in Lights, Camera, Ass Kicking.